rise like tide sea. Love was there, no remedy. Father's shadow, thin as air, left one day, not anywhere. Other kids with sharper words, scars that don't show on the knee. Far away, hope was priced he couldn't pay. Grown-up wars for more and more, while he stood outside the door. Left a note in fragile lines, ink of hurt between the signs. Not a scream, not even blame, just a child who felt the shame. Not for sorrow, not for fame, but to ask what we ignored, who we failed, what we're fighting for. Tiny ghost we have to face. As if we don't, the bells will toll for another quiet soul. Oh, your hand, small star gone. Morning came, but you moved on. We were loud, but not for you. Now you're silent smashes us in face. Oh, your hands, we say your name. Not for sorrow, not for fame, but to ask what we